Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 1st, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Camden Property Trust, a leading real estate company specializing in multifamily apartment communities. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Camden Property Trust has just released their third quarter 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their financial performance to strategic decisions impacting their development projects.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Camden reported a net income loss attributable to common shareholders of 0.04 cents per share, a significant drop from 44 cents last year. John, what are the key factors behind this decline?
The primary driver for the EPS decline was a $41 million impairment charge related to land development activities. Camden decided to halt 4 pre-development projects, leading to this non-cash charge. Despite this, their funds from operations, or FFO, remained relatively stable at 1.65 per share, matching their guidance.
And how did their core FFO perform?
Core FFO was slightly better than expected at $1.71 per share, up from the guidance midpoint of $1.68. This indicates that Camden's core operations are still robust, despite the challenges in their development pipeline.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about Camden's operational performance. Their same property net operating income showed no growth year over year. What does this tell us?
It suggests that while Camden is maintaining high occupancy rates at 95.5%, they're facing pressure on rental rates and operating expenses. The flat NOI growth reflects these challenges, particularly in a competitive rental market.
Looking ahead, how does Camden's guidance shape up?
Camden has adjusted their full-year EPS guidance to $1.46 to $1.50, down from previous estimates, largely due to the impairment charges. However, their core FFO guidance remains strong at $6.79 to $6.83, indicating confidence in their ongoing operations and cost management strategies.
Strategic initiatives and development projects. Camden has several development projects underway. Can you give us an update on these initiatives?
Certainly. Camden has a robust development pipeline with $267 million left to fund. They are actively leasing at Camden Woodmill Creek and have ongoing projects in Durham and Richmond. However, new lease rates have declined by 2.8%, which could impact future revenue growth.
And how did recent hurricanes affect their operations?
Hurricane Beryl caused $2.1 million in storm-related expenses, but Camden expects no material charges from other recent hurricanes. This shows their resilience and effective risk management in handling natural disasters.
Financial health and liquidity. Let's discuss Camden's financial health. How is their liquidity position?
Camden is in a strong liquidity position with $1.1 billion available, including over $1 billion from their unsecured credit facility. They also repaid $250 million in senior unsecured notes, which matured in September, using cash and their credit facility.
And what about their debt management strategies?
They've extended the maturity of a $40 million unsecured term loan to 2026, which helps in managing their debt profile and provides more flexibility for future investments.
Key takeaways. In summary, Camden Property Trust is navigating a challenging environment with strategic adjustments and strong operational fundamentals. Their guidance reflects cautious optimism, supported by a solid liquidity position. John, any final thoughts?
Camden's focus on core operations and strategic project management positions them well for future growth, despite current market pressures. Investors should watch their development progress and rental rate trends closely.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Camden's performance in the comments below.